Let's see if we can do it a small demonstration for some. So what cell is that? D12. D12 is the last cell that has a value for D, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to write
Help me understand.
some. What happened? Simeon, is there a challenge there?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay, click one cell. Click one cell after D12. Skip one cell rather after D12. I said
One
skip
time.
a cell after D12.
Wait, it's not sure what. Looking at that P12. Yeah,
I said
yes, sir.
skip that cell. Skip that cell. That means skip D13. That's what I mean. So you cannot type some there. Since we want to demonstrate some. Okay. All right. So I want you to sum up all the numbers in that column using a range notation.
Okay.
40. Okay. All right. That's good. Can you do the same thing for column I? Those are those random numbers there. Can you add them up?
It's point three. It's point 31.
Okay. Okay, that's good. All right. Let me send you a short note on the sum function. All right, I'll send it in the chat box. Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check the chat box.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
So if you look at the definition critically, you will see that there's a note underneath which says the sum function adds cells in a range, both negative and positive. Okay. So we're going to explore the second one, which is negative. I think all these ones we can regard them as positive. You know, since we know in mathematics that when you don't have any sign in front of the numbers, then the sign, what do you call it? The sign is as good as positive. You are aware of that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you're done writing, let me know.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. So what I want you to do now is, should we make it to be beside? Okay, so in the column, right, beside where you have the random numbers, let it match with the first random number that you generated. Just
Yes, sir.
type in numbers, two-digit numbers. Or should we make it two-digit numbers? Okay, make it single-digit numbers. Some of them positive, some of them negative. Do you understand? Some of them positive, some of them negative. Single digit, so that we can easily verify it.
It's mm-hmm. And it's right.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Where I don't even see the numbers. Where did you type the numbers? Oh, was that how you did it? Ah,
Hmm?
that was not what I meant to. Oh yeah, just leave it, hit enter, then let that one just be practice. See what I meant. Don't let me, I'm coming. Let me explain it again. You see this column. This is a column I that has a random number. In column J, this cell here, let me annotate where I'm pointing to. The cell directly beside where you have random numbers, right? Underneath. So maybe in this one you can put minus 3, 2. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
6, minus 5. That's what I mean. You can do it up to 0, this place. Do it up to this last place. Let me delete my annotation so that you can see what you're doing. Uh-huh. So yes, so you can see that what you did, right, worked. Um, um, just typing in numbers and separating them with commas, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Let's do the one with cell. I only see one negative number. Oh. Okay, two. Okay, there are two now. Put more negative numbers.
Mm. Mm.
Maybe you can add one. one double digit number. You can just put one double digit number so that we can verify easily. One double digit number.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. So,
Okay. Okay. So are you ready to try out the sum for this?
mhm.
Okay, so go ahead. Where do you want to put the sum? Do you want to put it directly under, or okay, where sum is? All right. So you know the cells that you're adding. Nice, nice job.
So
Okay.
6.
It gave you what? Six, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So let's verify. I think you said with minus two.
No, -3.
Okay, minus three, sorry. Okay. Okay. Minus three plus seven is plus four. Four plus minus four is zero. Zero plus nine is nine. Nine plus minus six is three. Three plus 11 is 14. 14 minus eight is six. Okay. I think it pretty much adds up. So yeah. Okay, excellent. All right. So let's see some other versions of the sum. Um, what do you call it? The sum function, because there are some other
I know.
versions. Did you say something?
I know. My sister just said bye to me because she's going somewhere.
Out. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So just hold on a bit. I want to give you a second function. I'm sure when you typed sum, you saw another function that says sum if, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So let's see what that sum if does. It calculates the sum of values in a range based on true or false conditions. So you can even tell from the name sum if blah blah blah. It's like you're saying sum if the criteria, if the conditions are met. Okay. So just think about it this way. What Excel calls criteria, um, your programming language calls it condition. Okay.
Yes.
So an example of criteria can be if a number is greater than another number, if a number is less than another number or smaller than another number. Another criteria can be if a number or text is equal to something. Okay. So um let's see. Um Let me see. I want us to do an example, but I want to make sure that we have um some credible data that we can use. Okay. I think judging by what we have here, the example that you did with what was that? Okay, yeah, I'm looking at that example that you did with hmm, is it is that Tata Motors, or no, those ones don't have types beside them. Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay. So okay, so let's just I'm looking at something there. Can you see where we have column D and column E?
Yes, sir.
So I'm looking to see if we can do something there, can do an example. So for instance now, let's say I want to add only the numbers that have um, that are beside words that start with letter V. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No, no, sir. I
Okay,
explain to
okay. Look at column D. Column D has 6, 3, 2, 3, 7, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you add all of them, you get 40. But what if we're not interested in adding all of them? We're only interested in adding the ones that meet certain conditions. For instance, I only want the ones that are directly beside the ones that start with letter V. V. So imagine now, if I say I'm interested only in the ones that are beside letter V, that means I only want to add 6. I only want to add 3. I only want to add, which other one is beside a word that starts with letter V?
six.
No, apart from 6, I've already mentioned 6. I started with 6, and then 3. 3, that's the 3 is the one in cell D5. Have you seen what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
Then the next one is another 3 in cell D11. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Those are the numbers that are beside letter V. Do you understand what I'm trying to say now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's what that sum is for. It's for that kind of scenario. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Um let me see if I can get a note that is okay, okay, we've gotten an example. Um so the first one is the condition, um the range for the condition, followed by the condition itself, the criteria, and then um, the range that we're supposed to add. Okay, okay. All right, so where do you want to put some if now?
Um, anywhere in G.
Anywhere in G. Okay. All right, so do the same thing you did for some back there and type some if. I think you should leave a space so that it does not look like it's part of something. It's part of the data there. Uh-huh. Okay.
Wait,
All
wait.
right.
I want to do something first. Wait, I'll come.
Okay. Did you discover something on your own?
Oh no, I just wanted to like. I want to find. But, yeah,
Okay, you want to underline like there's a line under it, right?
yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
okay.
Oh, oh, it's like,
Are you okay? You want to
but
do that for all of them?
yes, just
I
to make
know.
it, just to make it look like neat.
Okay,
Okay, so, wait, wait,
okay,
okay, so,
okay. Are you going to do the ones for A, B, C, and D later?
yes, yes.
It's some if or not some. Some if. Uh-huh. The next one, yes. Okay. So the range is where we are going to be looking at. Um, for instance, now in this case, right, the range is the cells beside it. So you are going to say from E2 where the condition will be, from E2 to E12. Do you understand?
Wait, from where again? Yes. From,
Do you
from,
understand?
from where? From D where?
Letter
Oh,
E.
yeah,
E,
from E.
the place where the criteria is E2 to E12. Yes. So that's where it's going to look for the criteria. So put a comma after that. Uh-huh. Then the criteria is um now that's where we're going to put something now. Um Now remember the left, right? Do you remember left?
So,
So go ahead and type your left function inside there. Left, you remember the left function, Abi? Then put, because we are targeting V. Okay, so you can put in there um cell. Which cell are we going to use to quickly pick it? Okay, no problem. Let's use E2. Let's use that same E2 and then there the okay, yeah, good. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so you're done with the
zero.
left. No, we're not done. No, we're not done.
Oh,
Then the sum range, comma. No, you put so the sum range now is from D2 to D12. That's where it will look for the numbers. Okay, then you can now close it. Okay,
6.
6. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I think it's maybe it's the criteria that we use. Let me see. Okay. Hmm. Let me see. Uh, hmm. Okay. Okay, I'm just thinking, why do you think it should only 6?
Let me try. I don't remember.
I think it's because the cell, the one beside 6, is where it's the only one that has V there. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do something. Which one has none of them are the same. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, no wahala. Let's use, so go back to that your sum if function. Go back to your sum if function. Okay, you see that place where you have left E2.
Mm,
Delete the left E2 and replace it with Volkswagen. Replace it with Volkswagen where you put Volkswagen in quotation mark. Don't forget your quotation mark. Yes, correct. The quotation mark is only for Volkswagen, no? Uh-huh. Yes, nice. Uh-huh. Then no, hold on. Sorry, go back. Sorry, pardon me. Now that place where you have E2 to E12, change it to A2 to A12. So we're no more looking at E to look for Volkswagen. We're looking at A. Do you understand? No, the first one, not there. The first one.
A22.
Leave that one as D2 to D12. Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. A2 to A12. That is the range where you look for the criteria. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Oya, hit enter.
24.
Uh-huh. Oya, now let's find out why it is 24. Can you guess? Oya, let's look at it. Why do you think it gave us 24 now?
Mm,
Why do you think it gave us 24?
Uh,
Look at this. Eh? Can you see Volkswagen here?
yeah.
Now, Volkswagen is beside 6, is all the way down to here, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means it's also all the way from here down to here. That's this one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, I think I've overshot. So, so the numbers beside, do you understand? So we're interested only in the ones that Volkswagen is beside. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Add 6 plus 3 is what?
9.
9 plus 2 what?
11.
Plus 3
14.
plus 7
21.
plus 3.
24.
So can you see how they got the 24 now?
Oh, yes, yes.
Uh-huh. Now I want you to do the one for BMW Group instead of
Huh?
Volkswagen. BMW Group.
Okay.
Yes. No, don't change that one. Do it on the next cell under. Do you understand? You can copy if you want to copy, but do it on the cell under. Yes, you're correct. As far as is the same column we're looking for the criteria, you can now specify the criteria. Comma, don't forget your comma. Oh. You want to get an error, you better put comma there. Mm-hmm. Remember, it's case sensitive, I think. BMW Group. Yes. Okay. Then the sum range. The sum range is the same thing now. D2 to D12. It's still D that you are picking all the numbers from.
Yeah, I don't want to. I forgot what those.
All right, confirm. Is it correct?
Oh yeah, it is.
So what were we adding? 4 plus 3 plus
40,
4, right?
43 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4.
Excellent. Oh yeah, do the one for Mercedes-Benz Group. Mercedes-Benz Group.
That one is 5.
Yes, we're expecting it to be 5. So go ahead
Mm-hmm.
and do it.
Yeah, mm-hmm. But it's 5. That's all.
Yes, okay, yes, I can see that. Perfect, that's good. Okay, so let me just give me a minute. Let me um
It's please, can I go do something really quickly?
can you do what?
I don't need to go tell my brother to do. I need to tell my brother to do something.
What can't you wait? We're almost done now.
Yeah, it's for him to tell my mom to buy something. I don't know if my mom's coming back yet or not.
I quickly tell him.
Yes. Okay, so I'm back.
All right, I sent something in the chat box. Can you copy that quickly?
With something.
Why are you launching WhatsApp again now?
Oh, no, I don't need to text my mom.
But I thought you said you sent a message to him.
Oh no, my brother is going to university this year. So he's trying to focus, but like his phone is locked, so he does not get
Mm,
distracted.
I see. I just want you to be able to finish it. I mean, it's something that you can do after our class, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Exam done.
Okay. Um, do you have any questions on how
No, 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 sir.
any of those things were obtained?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's fine. We'll continue on Thursday. So please try and remember our time for Thursday, 5 o'clock your time. All
Okay.
right. So you
Okay,
can
sir.
enjoy the rest of your evening.
Oh yeah, YouTube, sir. You're welcome.
Bye.
Yeah, have a good rest of your day.
All right. You too.